Hello, my name is Vaughan Gething. I'm the Assembly member tasked with chairing the Environment and Sustainability's Task and Finish Group on the Common Agricultural Policy reform proposals. Proposals being made by the European Commission on the 12th of October to try and reform how CAP works across the European Union. These proposals will have a big impact on the Welsh agricultural sector. We've launched an inquiry and we want to hear your views. We want to know how these reforms affect you and affect life around you. If you're interested in taking part, in giving evidence, in writing to us, please do contact us. The point of our inquiry is to find out what you think. The point of our inquiry then is to try and make sure that we get the best deal for Wales. Please get in touch.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.